Hey everyone, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're checking out a fun and feature-packed mini quadcopter, the Drone L18. Whether you're buying it as a toy, a beginner drone, or a gift for kids, this little flyer has some surprising tech packed in. Let's take a closer look. The Drone L18 is a remote-controlled quadcopter that comes with its own screen remote controller, so no need for a phone. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for beginners or kids who want to learn how to fly. When you first hold it, you'll notice how small and portable it is, about 15.7 by 18.5 by 5.1 centimeters. It's sturdy enough for young pilots and has cool LED lights that make it fun to fly in low light too. One of the standout features is the 4K high-definition camera. You can adjust the camera angle electronically to capture different perspectives while flying. With 5G image transmission, live video feeds to the remote screen are responsive and smooth, so you can see what the drone sees in real time. This makes it great for recording videos, capturing aerial photos, and fun POV shots while flying. The included remote has its own screen, which makes flying super intuitive. You don't need a phone or extra devices, just power on and you're ready to fly. The controls are responsive and easy to learn, even for kids or first-time flyers. The Drone L18 comes with a bunch of fun and helpful flight functions: optical flow hover for steady flight, headless mode so you never lose orientation, 360-degree shooting for dynamic videos, gesture operation to take photos with simple hand gestures, app operation for more control features, and modular battery for quick replacement. All of these make it both fun and easy, whether you're racing it around the backyard or capturing cool shots. The drone's battery gives you around 30 minutes of flight time, impressive for a mini drone. The control range is about 300 meters, which is plenty for outdoor flying in open spaces. That means more time flying and less time charging. This drone is perfect as a gift for kids, a first drone for beginners, or an everyday fun camera quadcopter. It's fun, simple, and doesn't cost as much as professional drones, yet still delivers real aerial footage. So, if you want a fun and easy-to-fly drone with a 4K camera, screen controller, and tons of beginner-friendly features, the Drone L18 is a great choice. Thanks for watching, Caring Guy. If this review helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech and toy reviews, and let me know in the comments, what would you record first with the Drone L18?